Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aroj Tech. Today I am going to tell you about a wonderful website from which you can earn a wonderful income. If you are visiting for the first time, click on my channel and click on green button and click on the bell icon button so that all my incoming videos reach you first. The link to description and link to description website, the name of the website will be found in the description. So welcome to friends. uh, Website name is Shizu Inu. Shizu Inu is the best website, best token. Shizu Inu is a memcon for dogs. It one that holds and pay homage to a very particular Shih Tzu pup named Lil Body. And chart, buy, Twitter, Telegram, click on chart, click on buy, click on Telegram, and click on Telegram group, and click on Twitter. So let me down Geeko coin Geeko, and about us. Lil Body has overcome many obstacles as the Doge with a medical disputes. He responds a symbol of hope for Doge that share a similar genre, and Shih Tzu in was. Um, so friends, read it and white paper. Click on the white paper and see your white paper. And how to buy Shih Tzu in U and one get MetaMarks. So friends, see this white paper, Shih Tzu in U white paper version, and 7 pages, table of contact, active and summary, a problem, a stray, and 7 pages read out and information, and website, and go to website and how to buy Shih Tzu in you and one get MetaMarks, Trust Wallet, and upload your Ethereum and exchange on Unsweep and pre-sale successful. Step 1, a MetaMask or Trust Wallet address and send Ethereum to your wallet from Binance. Click on your buy now on Unsweep and button and contact your wallet and trade exchange Ethereum for Shih Tzu in you. Tap the swap button and the confirmation, and please feel free to reach out us on the Telegram if you have any question. And tokenomics, the CZNU token is a ERC20 token and serving as the store of the value are true peer-to-peer and medium to exchange to on the Ethereum and blockchain. This medium of exchange will be benefit the project and goals and direction by a transaction tax. This tax will be used to found, operate, and develop the project. Will locked 100% of the liquidity token, no teen tokens, no pre-sale of any kinds, and Shih Tzu in your team will be invested in himself, and 1% they violate to cover fee and future contact development to display one tradition token, and 1% charity wallet charity fee funds go towards international funds for animal favors and other animal charities, and 8% marketing with community sports and marketing funds will expand the reach of our charity work. Our primary use case more to cram and roadmap. Page 1, stale launch on PancakeSwap, Telegram launch, Telegram Twitter launch, and starts first marketing champion. Install Telegram and launch information and list on Consiper, and to 250 holders, 1 million market cap is, and read out page 3, page 2, and so page 3, and Shih Tzu in you designed by Vinish Game, and let me up and click on the chart button and see this indextool.io chart, and see click on and unsweep on passive explore white and Shih Tzu in you Telegram, Twitter, Facebook. Follow this, and 0.0000513, and total liquidity, total volume, pool width and pools Shih Tzu in you, total tax holders, total market cap, and due to market cap. And go to website, click on the buy, and see Shih Tzu in you swap, and how to buy and how to swap and Shih Tzu in you, and select a token and select a token BUSD and select a token BUSD and done. And contact wallet, click on the contact how this app and API wallet connect. Open is Coinbase wallet and Formatic and see it's all. And pools, click on the pools new operation more contact wallet and pools overview and vote. See this unsweep and government UNI token spent voting sharing and unsweep and governments create proposal and charts and seeds charts and overview pools tokens and seeds all token top tokens Ethereum USDC and web and seeds all and readouts top pools and transaction. And go to website and click on the telegram groups and see telegram group, go and join chat and go to website. Okay, click on the Twitter and follow this Twitter. And okay friends, okay, Allah Hafiz.